Okay, we're starting with this letter A. I've got two. So I made a letter A, converted it to an object, duplicated it, did a dynamic offset. Now, I also converted that to an object. I've got this solid elephant here, and if you look in this picture here, you can see that he's on top of the A. We want him to be under the A. So we can either lower him, just to see, when you see it, the A will be on top of the image. We're also going to be duplicating that A, so no matter what, we're going to have him, or have it above. So we'll take that and the duplicated A, we'll go to Object, Division, and that duplicated A will disappear, but the elephant will be split into different sections wherever the A crossed him. So you're going to select the body of the elephant that you want to stick with that blue A, and you're going to group it together. So that section will stay with it and it'll engrave there, and the remainder will engrave onto the lower layer. Okay. You can do this again. This elephant is multiple objects. I'm going to union them together so it becomes one. And we'll resize him, put him wherever we want, and do the same process. So you'll want that A to be duplicated, because that duplicated A will disappear. You can see that the elephant is actually under the A, and we'll go to Object, Division, and it splits them up. You'll deselect any of the parts that are between the two A's so that you don't have those, and we'll union the rest to keep them all together. Okay, then you can group him with the A, and it'll be the same thing. He'll stay with the blue A, and the remainder of him will be there on the bottom to be engraved. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know.